Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to tell you how to make this curry very fast. This is one of my favorite things, and I make it when I don't have time for cooking. So let's get started. Hello everyone, so today I am going to show you how to make curry or yogurt curry, or if you are a vegan you can say it is besan ki curry or chickpea curry. So for that you need some yogurt, and if you are making vegan version of it, then you just need to add some water, and then you need some chopped onion and grated ginger. Then you need curry leaves, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and some asafoetida or hing. And here I have taken 4 tablespoons of besan or chickpea flour, or in German it is called Kichererbsen. And then I added some red chili powder, some turmeric, and some salt. So basically all these ingredients you need in varying proportion. It depends on your taste buds. Along with that you need some oil. So here in chickpea and flour mixture I am going to add some water and yogurt. So now mix it using a whisk like this, and you should try to make it as homogeneous as possible. Here are some lumps, but no problem. You can break them out, or they will automatically break out. But you should be careful that you should not add hot water, otherwise these lumps will not be mixed up. Now I heated 3 teaspoons of oil to it, to this pan. Now I will add spices to it. I also took some methi dana or fenugreek seed. But if you are new to Indian cuisine, you need not to worry so much. You can add any spice you have. So only hing and cumin and turmeric is necessary. Rest is optional. So here I added the spices and I let them crack up. Now I will add onion and ginger, grated ginger, and let it cook a bit. Right now my kitchen is smelling delicious. So now onion are a bit cooked and it has become a bit translucent. Now I'm going to add this chickpea mixture solution or slurry. If you want, you can add more water. Now I explain to you a bit that what happens when you make curry. What happens when you make curry. So basically what happens that if you heat yogurt, it will crack, and if you add chickpea flour to it, then what happens is that in this slurry, when it is heated up, it gets thickened and its viscosity changes, and that's why yogurt molecules doesn't crack. So you see it's boiling. You can either cover it. At this stage you can add any curry to any vegetable to it. I find peeled zucchini or lauki very nice in that. I once ate it with carrot and peas. That was also very tasty. And basically this is a basic curry recipe, so you can do any kind of variation to it. Traditionally in India we make pakoda curry, and you all know what is pakoda. When you fry this besan paste with some spices, that thing is called pakoda, and that you get in many Indian restaurants as appetizer. and you can just make simple pakoda and add to this kadhi. If you're in Germany, then this is a tip for you. In Germany you get these Backapsen. These Backapsen goes very well with curry, or if you want to make raita, then also it tastes very nice. It tastes just like bundi, but you should be careful. Sometimes it contains eggs, so if you are pure vegetarian, then you should avoid them. If you like this tip, please subscribe to my channel and keep coming back for these tips and tricks. Have a nice day. Bye bye.